How to fix why you can't send friend request on Facebook. Hi everyone, welcome to the channel. This is Rose from Create Login and Delete. Without further ado, let's dive right into the video. In order to fix this issue, first of all, you need to check your friend request limit. If you have sent to many friend requests that haven't been accepted, Facebook may temporarily block you from sending more. So, if you have any of those, you need to cancel any pending friend request. Other thing what you can do is make sure you review your privacy settings. The person you are trying to add might have set the privacy to limit friend request. So you need to check if they allow friend requests from people they don't know as well. You can easily interact with your friends and get about this information. Other thing is ensure that you are not trying to send a friend request to a business page or a restricted profile that doesn't accept friends. Sometimes technical issues can prevent the friend request from being sent. You can try updating the app. For that, you need to head towards the Play Store, search for Facebook application. And if you see any updates available, you need to tap update and update it to the latest version. Even though if your issue did not resolve, make sure to clear the cache. Tap and hold Facebook and tap app info. Now select storage uses and clear the cache. Once done, you can easily fix why you can't send friend requests on Facebook. I hope this video worked. Thank you for watching and see you in the next video.